It's been a while since we've had one of these. This is the Mk7.5 Volkswagen Golf R in the beautiful deep black. One owner from new and only 9,000 miles, but then this car's got loads of extras. Now when you're selling and buying Golf Rs, you want it to have some key features. Now this one's got them all, and I'll go through it as I go around. First of all, in the black, with the full sort of dechroming pack on it, this car does look absolutely amazing. I've mentioned this a few times. The 7.5 has a very good look about it. You've got the LED indicators and the LED daytime running lights, front rear parking sensors, headlight washers, and you've also got the adaptive cruise control. Now this one, being the Golf R, you've got the bigger bumpers, the corner section's a bit more wide and aggressive and more refined. But for me, the first extra, which is probably the biggest extra, is them upgraded 19-inch Pretoria wheels. They absolutely make a difference. If you're going to buy one, get one with the extras. Don't be buying one that's a basic one, because you're not going to enjoy it the same way. It sets the car off completely. The flared out side skirts, all the R badging. Now remember, this is 300 brake horsepower, not a 16, 4.7 seconds. And being the 4Motion gives you four-wheel drive traction. It's just brilliant. It handles well. When they say a hot hatch, this is what they're talking about. Probably one of the best in the market. You've got the Golf R seats, which is the Alcantara bucket styling, perforated seats, flat bottom steering wheel, touchscreen media system with navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer. This one then has the heated seats, and another big extra is the reversing camera system. For me, the tilt and sliding panoramic roof is a must on a Golf R. You need it. If you look at all the ones available, not many have them, and people just almost go, you know what, it's okay, I'll do without. But no, why should you? If you're spending this sort of money, get all the bits that you want. In the black, with that interior, with them wheels, the tilt and sliding roof, the reversing camera, it doesn't get much better. If you're going to spec a Golf R, this is how it be. You've then got the beautiful LED style rear lighting system, the sweeping dynamic indicators there, which again look pretty cool. Quad tailpipes being the Golf R. Press the badge there, and you've got yourself a nice boot space. 60/40 split seats. Underneath here, you've got your spare wheel, on your space saver, but better than nothing. But with 9,000 miles on, one owner from new, I'm not exaggerating when I say this car is in absolute amazing condition. The wheels, the bodywork, the interior, the backs of the seats, the door cards, there's no sort of defects or scratches or scuffs. Electric windows and mirrors, but you've also got the heated mirrors there as well, which electronically fold in. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, and being the 7.5, you've got the full digital dash with the clocks there and sort of speed and everything else. Multifunctional steering wheel, leather wrapped, paddle shift. It's got everything. Dual zone climate control, and then the different drive modes: eco, normal, race, or individual, where you can go on there and then change the different settings on the steering and dynamic cornering light, etc. Traction control, auto stop start down here, the push button start, automatic hold, and electronic handbrake. You have also got two keys for the car, twin cup holders. It just doesn't get any better. Put it in reverse, and there's a camera system there. Nice and clear with the guidelines. The car sounds good, but it goes tremendously well. Remember, 4.7 seconds, this is not a slow car, but it handles well. That's the idea. It's no point having a fast car if you can't fling it around corners. Tremendous car. It looks super stealthy. It looks so aggressive. Because it's black with the black wheels, it looks mega. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.